The very characteristic design of 1433 New Chelsea or Royal Chelsea plants. We're manufacturing this bone china 1920s, 1930s, this little pink and blue with a touch of green. Little rose bouquets are very characteristic of this. We've got trios in teacups, saucers and side plates. This is, I think, the New Chelsea version of the serving plate with central well. There is a little bit of transfer smudging here, just a few little dots where it's been fired, a few little inclusions in the greys as well. No factory marks on this one at all, just a 1433 decorators mark. Almost impossible to actually decipher that. But it's a nice enough 9-inch round porcelain plants period English serving plate in a beautiful design, and really complements those teacup trios that are available separately. If you have a look through on the website on 1433 or 1437, then you should get the New Chelsea, the Royal Chelsea and the plants version of this pattern design availability. Thanks for watching.